we're in Northwood and are doing a garden within the soul project. We've been dating the steps and finishing the steps off. Putting the planting in, looking beautiful. With the Ilex, all Crocosmia. Oh, that is wonderful. Aquascape, cascading bowls featuring 1 metre wide. These are beautiful size, lovely movement, real character quality from multiple points in the garden. Sides have been offset, and it's enormous boulders and huge bubble side of that. Beautiful Acer Summer Gold sitting in the background, highlighted with a bit of sunshine. Nicely green against the dark background. Looks absolutely stunning. Little nice finds that we got from the wholesalers. We got the Salvia to come off here, some ferns, some anemones. Beautiful spot. And then we now prepared the pergola, which was a bit of a fight. We got a beautiful aluminium with the physical screens. Fall in and let you two out next week. We're going to start the other end of the garden. There's a screen put in, some more planting, and at the back of it, pergola, we're going to do a move to the clip and steel artwork. So that's the plan. We'll see how that actually goes. I have an idea in my head. I've never actually done one before, so it could be interesting. The idea is it's a screen and it's a bit of sculpture. We'll do some videos on that one specifically. Okay, thank you.